Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line, working with number pairs with a problem related to TEKS 4.8b, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a table here showing the equivalent rates between centimeters and meters. And we need to figure out how many centimeters is a high school hall or a school hallway that is 15 meters long. So if I were to extend my table, I could put 15 right there, and I'm looking for that matching equivalency. Now, some of us might already know how many meters make up so many centimeters. But if we're not ever sure, we can actually look at this with a double number line. So I'm going to draw two number lines. I'm going to transform my table into this double number line. And we are going to put whatever's on the bottom. In this case, it's M for meters. That's going to be whatever's on the left-hand side. So if I've got 3, I've got 5, I've got 8, 11, and then 15.